Good morning to you all. Today in this tutorial I'll show you the basic things what we can do in the Instagram. So this is a tutorial on just how to use Instagram for the beginners. So if you are just entered the Instagram application, just installed and have created an account and want to know how to use Instagram, this tutorial may be a bit helpful to you. Let us get in the tutorial, and this very simple one. Open your Instagram app and I hope you create an account with your Facebook. So this is my fresh page or the home page of the Instagram, where you'll see the camera picture here and the messaging symbol here, home, search, and the new things to do, and the heart symbol and the profile symbol. First of all, we'll look at the profile symbol here. Once you click on the profile symbol, this is my profile area where I can look at my profile. So if at all if you want to edit your profile, you can click on edit your profile and you can change your name, you can change your username, you can enter your website, and whatever the changes you want to do, you can check it here. For you can change the gender or something like that and click on edit profile, means done. So this is where you can check all your account section. I hope this is clear for you. And here is the area, means in the profile area only you can check the number of followers you have and the number of members whom you are following, means this is the followers list and this is the following list, means you are following. And I'll show you how to follow people on the Instagram. So on your profile image, on the left top corner you can see the three dots. Click on the three dots and here follow people. So it is asking to follow people, means Instagram is an application where we have fun if we follow other members, friends, or whomever we want, or the celebrities in the society or something like that. To follow any such, you can click on Facebook friends. For example, these are two Facebook friends whom I have on this. So if I click on follow, I can follow them. So if at all if I don't want to follow them, click on the following, same on the same option, and you will get unfollow and you can click on unfollow. So let us follow them. You can click on follow all with a single click, so that you will follow all your Facebook friends who are on the Instagrams. And next you can also click on suggested, and these are all the suggested candidates whom you can follow. If at all if you like any of this profile and you want to follow, you can click on follow. See here, these requested, in the sense some of the Instagram accounts have a security section like private account or something like that. So as just like a Facebook friend request, these also Instagram follow request will be sent to the other person who we have sent the follow request. So some will have and some accounts doesn't have that. So now you have already know that how to follow the members or how to unfollow someone, and how to check the followers list. And this is the search bar where we can search people. You if you want, if you know one of your friend name, you can search here. And in the search you have some filters like people's tags, hashtags, in the sense these are the topics and these are the locations. So I'll search for people and I'll go for the search. If he is your friend, if you want to follow, you can click on follow. So I hope you now came to know how to search someone on the Instagram. Okay, I'll go to the home page, and now and the final section is how to post a post in the Instagram. And with this I'll finish this tutorial. And here you can see an option called plus symbol. Here click on the plus symbol so that you'll get the camera open, and click on the photo. So I have taken a photo, whether it may be a selfie. You can turn on the front camera or the back camera, and you can apply some filters. Okay, and you can have some brightness or the contrast and some editings what you will know, uh, all that done. And once you're done with the editing section, click on next. So this is the post or the story, what we call story. So if it is a video or a picture, for now it's a picture. So click on the advanced settings. You can turn off the comment for the section, that is up to you. You can tag the people, same like Facebook. and you can add your location. For that you need to on the location service, means navigation service of your phone. I don't want that. And come back, and you can write some caption: hi to all, I am new. Next, once you have done that, your post will be here: hi to all, I am new. So if someone wants to like this, double tap on this. If you double tap on a uh, image, that will gets into the like heart symbol. For example, if I like a post of my friend, I'll double click on this image so that it will get liked by me. So if you want to comment on a post, you can click on this symbol to comment. I'm commenting on my own post. See here, if you want to message the sender, means that friend, you can click on. So I am messaging to myself, that's why it's not happening, but this is how you can do that. And if you want to delete this particular post, click on the three dots here and click on delete. So I want to delete, so just as a tutorial purpose I posted this, so I am deleting that. So I hope now from this tutorial, it is very simple tutorial for the Instagram beginners, helps a little bit. If you are really a beginner, if you are already using Instagram, just ignore this. But I hope you share this to other friends whom have just followed using Instagram. I hope this helpful to you, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.